evidenced by the fact that I'm already sweating and I've only been out of the house for like, what, 13 seconds? Craziness. Anyway, house is a bit of a disaster today. Even though I had to walk outside to get to the kitchen, I still gotta make coffee first thing. Let's go. Okay, your time is perfect.
It really is.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, our house is a bit of a disaster this morning, my love. I'm sorry for that.
Well, it's not totally your fault.
I know. But I figured at the very least we could start with a couple of coffees.
Cheers to that. Best way to start the morning. Iced espresso.
No, I don't have any. There's no sugar because the sugar is behind a couch.
Life in a construction zone.
Yeah. Man, you want to go take a look at see what the bar looks like?
I do.
All right, you know, it's a little bit of a disaster around here right now, but you know, I think it's going to be good at some point, Barry Baumgartner. What do you think? You think we're getting there?
We sure think so.
Yeah, but you know what's interesting, guys? Barry and I were talking this morning, and there's a parallel to what we're doing and what many of you are doing with your business.
You have this dream vision of your business, the way we have a dream vision of this house, and you really don't want to live through construction. You don't want it to be messy. You don't want it to be imperfect. You don't want to be coming home every day to construction work and dust and bags of debris and all the things it takes to get to the beautiful dream house that you're looking for. But sometimes in our businesses, that's exactly what we have to do. Let me show you.
Check it out.
At some point, this is going to be something, right?
Yeah, I sure hope so. It's kind of making my eyes burn a little bit.
Yeah, you know what that is? The lacquer, the paint, it's crazy.
I'm not sure you're supposed to be in here breathing this. It does look amazing. Life in a construction zone, but I mean, it's starting to come together. So this is what I'm talking about. I mean, it's a little crazy over here. Behind that wall of plastic is dust and debris and some half-painted cabinets, and things are in total disarray. And we've been living this way for a couple weeks, and it's not easy. And I know you can relate to this because this is how it feels in our businesses sometimes. We're in that place where like we have the vision, we want it to be perfect, but instead it's just a lot of construction dust and a lot of mess. I'm like, is this ever gonna turn into something really awesome? And I'm here to tell you that it really can, and that it's super okay to be going through that phase where you're taking things apart, putting them back together again, where things are a little dusty, where things are a little messy, might require a little patience. That dream vision is a real thing, and it can happen. You just have to be willing to do it messy, do it scared, do it imperfect, and just do it anyway, because on the other side of that is everything that you're looking for, including a purpose-driven payday where you can have impact and income, be living into a purpose, making an incredible payday, making your mess your message. All of that's possible. You just have to be willing to start with the construction, get a really good design, a really good plan in place, and then live through a little bit of mess until you can get to the other side. And here's the thing I want you to know, you can do this.